Here is a story of Farmer John and the little rescued puppy.
Farmer John was working in his fields one sunny afternoon when he heard a faint whimpering sound coming from a nearby bush. Curious, he walked over and found a tiny puppy, shivering with fear and dirt covered. The little pup couldn't have been more than a few weeks old. John's heart melted and he scooped up the puppy. Cradling it in his arms, he took the pup home, fed it warm milk, and nursed it back to health. As the puppy grew, John trained it to help on the farm. The puppy, named Max, quickly learned to herd animals and alert John to potential threats. Max's loyalty and protective instincts grew stronger each day. Soon, Max became more than just a farmhand. He was a loyal companion and guard dog. Max would fiercely defend the farm and John's family, chasing away any strangers or predators. John was grateful for the little pup he'd rescued, now a brave and loyal guardian. Their bond grew stronger over time, and Max remained by John's side, always ready to protect and serve.
Please continue watching the video. Thank you.
Let's go. I should rub your belly.
Here is the little puppy trying to play with Farmer John's chicken in the cage. Very hilarious little puppy. Jaguar. What a wee wee. Let me see. It's bottle now.
It's a fish. I think.
Jaguar and Paul.
I feel it's not. It's something not different. Oh my God! That's what back to me.
I want to bust it. His teeth will be very sharp now. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed.
Who is this? Who is this? Is that Chakwa? Is this Chakwa? Who is this? That's Chakwa.
Wait.
You want to poo-poo? Maybe. Leave them. Let me video them. Let me video them playing.
I want to say
This puppy see road. Is it your mommy? Let me video you. No. Jaguar is not water.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and put on your notification button.